So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to save caption template in CapCut. So for the first time, after you open up now the CapCut like this now, so now as you can see now, here is my video and here is my caption. So now if I want to save this caption as a template for my next video, so all you have to do now, after you open the CapCut, so now you go and delete some part of the caption like this. After you delete some part of the caption like this one, as you can see now, here is the caption. So the next thing you should do now, if you want to use this style on your next video, so you just go ahead now and hide the track. After you hide the track of the caption, then you go and delete the audio. So now you go and delete the video at the same time. After you delete the audio and the video, then now you import your next project. So now let's say I want to import this audio again. So after you import the next project, make sure you do not delete the caption that you hide, the caption track that you hide. So after you import your next project in the CapCut like this, the next thing you should do, you just click on this caption again and then go and click on this generate again. So after you import, after you generate the caption for your next project like this, so as you can see now I add the new audio and the new video clip. But as you can see now, after you generate the caption, it will just automatically use your previous caption template that you use, which is this one, because you leave the caption template inside your timeline. Just you hide it. So as you can see now, after I generate this one, as you can see now I don't have to just go ahead and add the new style. It will just automatically use the previous style for my caption, which is this one. As you can see now, which is this one. So all you have to do, just now you go ahead now and play your video, and that's it. Now you have the caption template for your video. And that's it guys on how to save the caption template for your CapCut project. If this video helped, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.